Now, open your textbook, read question number 5. In classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D. So, figure Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, Don't you think ABCD is a square? Chameli disagree using the distance formula and which of them is correct. Here in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C. A, B, C and D. In this figure, point A, 3, 4. Point A is 3, 4. Point B is 6, 7. Point C, 9, 4. And point D, 6, 1. In graph, we have given x-axis, y-axis. We know A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D is equals to 6, 1. Here A 3, 4, B 4, 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1. Then we see that first we find points. Which type of we are using for a distance formula? AB is equals to under root 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square equals to minus 3 square 9 plus 9 18 9 2s are therefore 3 root 2. AB is equals to 3 root 2. We find here BC 6 minus 9 square plus 7 minus 4 square is equals to 6 minus 9 minus 3 square 9 plus 3 square 9 plus 9 is equals to root 18. Therefore, BC is equals to also 3 root 2. We find here AC CD, BC, AB, BC, CD and A and B. CD 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square equals to 9 minus 6 3 square is equals to 9 plus 9 is equals to under root 18 3 root 2 CD is equals to also 3 root 2. Now find AD. AD is equals to 3 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 1 square equals to 3 minus 6 is equals to minus 3 square 9 4 minus 1 3 square 9 9 plus 9 equals to 18 is equals to 3 root 2. Here all sides AB, BC, CD and DE are 3 root 2. We decide that it is a square or rhombus. But Champai is saying that they are arranged in square and Chameli is disagree with her. Then we find it is a square. Vertices of square. Then its sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Other condition is diagonals are equal. Take AC. Find AC is equal to 3 minus 9 square plus 4 minus 4 square equals to 3 minus 9 minus 6 square is equal to 36 plus 0 4 minus 4 is equal to root 36 is equal to 6. Now we find BD. BD is equal to under root 6 minus 6 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 plus 7 minus 1 6 6 square is equal to 36 is equal to root 36 is equal to 6. Yes, here diagonals are equal. We do example number like this 1 or 2 or 3. Then it is a vertices of square. AB is equal to here AB equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD is equals to 3 root 2 and diagonals AC is equals to BD is equals to 6. Therefore, they are arranged in form of square so Champa is true. Agree. We are agree with statement of Champa. Champa is true. Now question number 6 in textbook. Champa is and which of them is correct? Champa is true. Champa is correct. We will say that Champa is correct. Name the types of quadrilateral form if any by following points and give reasons for your answer. Here number 1, 2. I take it 2 and 3. 1 do in your homework. It is it is a vertices of square. Now second number minus 3 5 3 1 0 3 and minus 1 minus 4. We find here all sides and it's all diagonals. It's like A, B, C and D. A is minus 3 5, B is 3 1, C is 0 3 and D is minus 1 minus 4. We find here AB minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 minus 6 whole square 36 plus 5 minus 1 4 whole square is equal to 36 minus 6 5 minus 1 4 square is equal to 16 is equal to 6 6 12 1 2 3 52 13 4s are 52 2 root 30. Here AB is equal to 2 root 30. Now we find BC. BC 3 minus 0 plus 1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 square 4 is equal to root 13. Then we see that here BC is equal to root 13. Third side we find CD. 0 minus 1 plus 3 minus 4 equals to 0 minus plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4 7 square is equal to 49 is equal to root 50 25 2s are CD is equal to 5 root 2. Now we find other side AD. AD is equal to minus 3 minus 1 plus 5 minus 4 square. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 square is equal to 4. 5 plus 4 9 square is equal to 81 is equal to 50. 81 plus 4 is equal to 85. 80 is equal to root 85. Now we find here its diagonals AC minus 3 minus 0 square plus 5 minus 3 square is equal to minus 3 square 9 5 minus 3 2 square 4 is equal to root 13. AC is equal to root 13 and BD is equal to 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 4. 3 plus 1 4 square is equal to 16. 1 plus 4 5 square is equal to 25. 41. BD is equal to 41. Here we decide it is a quadrilateral or not. Which type of? Suppose it is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD. But here they are not equal. Therefore it is not parallelogram. Square, all sides are equal. It is not possible. Rectangle, opposite sides are. It is not a parallelogram. Then therefore it is not square, rhombus and rectangle. We decide that it is a square, it is a parallelogram or quadrilateral. Here AB is equal to 2 root 30 and BC is equal to root 30, AC is equal to root 30. We are using this formula. AC plus BC is equal to root 30 plus root 30 is equal to 2 root 30 is a measure of AB. AC plus BC is equal to AB. Therefore, it is a collinear point A dash, C dash, B. In quadrilateral, 3 points are not collinear. Here 3 points are collinear. A, B, C are collinear points. Therefore, it is no vertices of quadrilateral. it is a quadrilateral or not? It is not a it is ABC are collinear, therefore it is not a quadrilateral. Now, number 3 of question number 6.